amazing potent juice recipes to beat inflammation. Although inflammation is a normal and healthy response that occurs in the body to protect us from bacteria and viruses, sometimes it gets out of control or serves no purpose. One of the most important steps you can take to fight inflammation is to increase your intake of fruits and vegetables, with juicing being a great way to start on this road to better health. Fennel and apple detox juice. A wholesome and nutritious juice from Natalie at Tastes Lovely, this recipe harnesses the anti-inflammatory properties of both fennel and apple, along with mint, cucumber, spinach and lemon. Fennel is used to treat a wide variety of ailments, including digestive complaints, infection, menstrual disorders and arthritis, so juicing the bulb is bound to improve your health. Yet another anti-inflammatory herb, fresh mint, brings a calming and analgesic effect to this drink. Although this recipe originally calls for green apples, substituting red apples may even be better. They have powerful antioxidants in their skin that can act as a natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory. Research has found that people who eat 2 to 5 apples a week have a 32% lower risk of asthma, an inflammatory condition, than people who eat less. Much like kale, spinach is rich in vitamin K, which has been shown to dramatically reduce inflammatory markers in the blood. Ingredients. Serves 1. 10 ounces of spinach, 1 bunch of mint, 1 cucumber, 2 apples cored, 1 fennel bulb, half a lemon. Directions. Add the above ingredients to your juicer and serve immediately. Kale, grape, ginger and lemon juice. This sweet green juice by Jeanette at Jeanette's Healthy Living is as delicious as it is wholesome. Kale is well documented as being an incredibly nutritious leafy vegetable and is often hailed as a superfood. Not only is it a good source of protein, thiamine, riboflavin, folate, iron, magnesium and phosphorus, but it's an even better source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, calcium, potassium, copper and manganese. All these vitamins and minerals, along with flavonoids, provide a variety of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger, a relative of turmeric, is an amazing and tasty pain reliever, particularly if you suffer from frequent headaches or migraines or osteoarthritis. In a study of 100 migraine sufferers, it was found that both ginger powder and common migraine drug had a comparable pain relieving effects. A 6-week trial of patients with osteoarthritis who took ginger extracts twice daily felt less pain when standing and walking after taking the ginger. Finally, lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful inflammation-fighting vitamin. Ingredients. Serves 1. 1 bunch kale, 1 cup grapes, 1 slice ginger, optional, juice of 1 lemon wedge. Directions. Juice the kale, grapes and ginger and pour into a glass. Squeeze in the lemon juice and serve. Watermelon, basil and lime juice. Like summertime in a glass, this juice from the New York Times cooking makes for a delicious morning refreshment. All 3 ingredients bring something to the table in terms of inflammation fighting abilities. Of all 3, basil may be the most potent. Some varieties of this herb are actually as strong as anti-inflammatory drugs and have been shown to reduce swelling in arthritis sufferers by up to 73% in just 24 hours. Watermelon is fantastic fruit. Comprising 92% water, is sure to hydrate, while the remainder of the fruit is filled with the powerful antioxidant lycopene. Known to protect the heart, prostate and skin, lycopene discourages inflammation and neutralizes harmful free radicals. Another anti-inflammatory phytonutrient in watermelon is cucurbitacin E, which blocks the activity of an enzyme which contributes to pain, fever and inflammation. Ingredients. Serves 2. 1 small watermelon rind and seeds removed cut into 2-inch chunks. 6 basil leaves, juice of half a lime. Directions: pulse the ingredients in a blender for 20 seconds, then blend on high for a further 10 to 15 seconds. Serve immediately.